अस्सलाम एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग स्किल। हेलो स्टूडेंट, क्या हाल है आप सबका। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। एक नई जीडीबी सॉल्यूशन के साथ हाज़िर हूँ। ये जीडीबी सॉल्यूशन है MKT 501, जो कि जीडीबी स्प्रिंग 2020 जिसको राइट किया है लर्निंग स्किल्स ने। तो सॉल्यूशन, सबसे पहले सॉल्यूशन देखते हैं। सबसे पहले है कि सैमसंग मार्केटिंग लीडर। The marketing leader is the dominant in its industry. It has substantial market share and often executive distribution arrangement with the retailer. It's typically is the industry leader in developing innovative new business models and new order products, although not always. It sometimes had become the market power in the determining either price or output of the four dominance strategies. It has the most flexibility in the crafting strategy. दूसरे नंबर पे है हवावे मार्केट चैलेंजर। The market challenger is a firm in a strong but not the dominant position that is following aggressive strategy of the training of the gain market share. It's typically target the industry leader. For example, Pepsi targets Coke, but it could also target similar more vulnerable competitors, Qbel and Oppo market flowers. A market challenger is a firm and strong but not dominant position in the market. The company has no expensive R&D failures. The company has no risk of the bad business model. The company has best practices in the market. The company has already established their पोजीशन इन मार्केट। उसके बाद है जी एप्पल मार्केट निची। इन दिस निची स्ट्रेटजी द farm and firm concentrates concentrates on the select few target market. It has the called a focus strategy. It is hoped that by the focusing one's marketing efforts on one or two narrows market segment and tailoring your marketing mix to these specialized market, you can better meet the need of this target market। क्वेश्चन सॉल्यूशन नंबर 2 है कि different financing facilities. Number one, focus strategy. In this strategy, they improve their products time to time. दूसरे नंबर पे है कि not to spend on advertisement. In this strategy, they do not spend on marking advertisement or selling. तीसरे नंबर पे है जी make segment of the market. In this financing facilities, they make the segment of the market. Their segment can be geographical segmentation or the demographical segmentation। उसके लास्ट वन पे है कि less spend on R&D। In this financing facility, they do not spend their income on the research and development. They focus on the mobile improvement and the improve क्वालिटी ऑफ द मोबाइल एक्सेट्रा। तो ये थी जीडीबी सॉल्यूशन जो कि MKT 501 की थी, जो कि मैंने आपको बताई। इसके अलावा आपको अगर असाइनमेंट सॉल्यूशन चाहिए तो आप मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। मैं यहाँ पे अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर लिख देता हूँ, तो आप मुझे मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे टेक्स्ट करें। इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको ये सॉल्यूशन ज़रूर प्रोवाइड करूँगा। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग स्किल्स।